Okay, how do people grow their Instagram into a huge following but they have only 10 to 15 posts? Oh, yeah. If they are selling their account, I assume it is likely not organic. How do they do it? Do they simply buy fake likes, comments, and followers just to sell it? Good question. Sometimes it could be both. People have bought likes, but what was that? We were watching this video, and this guy literally just made his own theme account with like literally 5 posts.
Oh, we're talking about
and grew it to like a couple million followers.
Yeah.
And it was all organic. Like
it's from the High Life.
Yeah, the High Life.
They're a travel channel vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and they demonstrated how to grow your Instagram organically, how to get 100 something or 1 million followers within 48 hours. What they did was they posted, the best content, and that was already performing well on the search. And what they did was they just reposted that on their Instagram, and then they created a channel trailer. And from there, what they did is that they reached out to a whole bunch of already well-known Instagram accounts that have about like 100K, a million, like very high followings. What they did was they gave them the channel trailer, and they also paid them. So there's that route. If you have the budget to pay these high-end accounts, probably 300, 400, 500 bucks to get those followers, go for it. And so that's the genuine way to go about it. But if you don't have the money, the other way, this other person may have done it. And what a lot of people do is they buy followers, they buy likes, and they buy comments. And those are the two ways in terms of buying it. You want to do genuine, no budget, and you're
gonna need more than 10 to 15 posts.
Yeah, or if you want to just do 10 to 15 posts, say you do, hypothetically, you want to do 10 to 15 posts, the content better be really, really good, and then you got to do a shit ton of engagement. That means going to other people's profiles, getting involved with the community, commenting on them, and I'm not talking about spamming, writing like thumbs up emojis.
Actually commenting.
Yeah.
Reacting to, like, let's say you're commenting on someone's picture at Disneyland.
Yeah.
Like, literally say, oh my god, I love this ride.
Yeah. So, and the actual social media.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually be social about it.
So that's
There's
how you can
no way to, like...
And the fact about it is that you're probably it's gonna be an insanely slow
process.
Yeah, Instagram's not what it was back in 2013 or 14, so it's good because there's so many people now. So if you want fast growth,
and there's only so much like the right hashtags can do for you. Like it could get you visible enough, but
so
how visible is visible enough?
Yeah, and another way too is to collaborate with other people. So like you got to either shout out for shout out. So one of those 15 posts can be a shout out from another Instagrammer, or you can be up there for like an hour and then you can take it off. So.
Or what I've done by accident is I took a photo. This is a long time ago. There's a makeup brand that's like super new. It's all lipstick, and they released their first shade. I made a time-lapse video, and also like I took a couple photos to accompany it. And I, literally said, hey, I listed all the products they used, and one of them was that. And they reposted me, and after that, I got a couple follows. And that's actually what prompted me to be like, oh. And also, like, a bit of nudging from this guy. To actually, I can probably do this. Again, this is a slow growth. I haven't bought any followers or likes, and I've also gotten a couple reposts since then, too. Like, again, from other makeup products, from other... like brands that have hit me up to be like an ambassador or... So
I think bouncing off that, if you've got a talent, if you're a graphic designer, if you do video, if you do makeup, or if you
just look good,
or if you just overall look good, or even if you're cutting haircuts, doing hair, you can use that as leverage to provide value to the influencers. So if you don't have the monetary means to pay an influencer, offer them your service. Like say hey, I'm a badass video editor, I can create 5, 10, 20 dope videos. All you would really need is one video for them to feature you, and then you would get all you would be able to leverage that attention. So so there's nothing wrong with trying to barter your talents in exchange for the attention that you want. So this is like one of those things like why should I work for free? This is if you want your Instagram followers to get up, that's one of the ways. I guess just got long too. So recap: buy influencers. You can
either buy them,
and then next one is buying bot followers. Next is commenting and engaging, and the fourth one, which I think what she brought on was
reaching out to influencers,
but offering value through your talents.
Yeah.
So she does makeup really well. She tagged all the companies that she did, and if the content is good,
they'll
repost it. So providing great value to them, I think, is a great way to go about it. And method 3 and 4 are the best ways to go.
Especially if you don't have a budget.
Am I done?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have beard. I can't do that.